Good afternoon, everybody. This is OB1K21 Show Me Drones. I am excited to be here with you talking about something that we all are waiting and very intrigued to know what DJI has to show us on October the 20th. Yes, it's a DJI Mavic 3. We'll be seeing officially what the DJI Mavic 3 is all about on October the 20th. And I can't wait to see because we all very excited about this new drone with dual cameras, a zoom camera and micro four third cameras, and everything that has been said about this drone when it comes out. From the battery life, 46 minutes, this drone is going to be a game changer. So, like I always say, stay tuned because I'll be back soon. This is OB1K21. Show me drones. I'll be seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.